Hey, today I'm going to share with you how to make your very own easy pillowcase. You don't need to be a sewing fanatic to get this project done. It's honestly a very lovely sewing project for anyone who wants to just make your home look a little nicer, and it's really just a great project for adults and even teens, okay? So we're going to start by needing a couple things, of course. We need cotton fabric, and it needs to be quite large, scissors, then tailor's chalk, and we need sewing pins as well with tape measure to measure everything, And then we're going to get our pillow out. We want to measure our pillow. This pillow in particular is 14 by 14 inches, but your pillow might be larger, might be smaller, and it needs to be square. If it's not square, this template might not work for us. So as you can see, this is a little plan. We have the square pillow inside both sides, and then we have 2-inch overlaps and then 1.5-inch overlap vertically and horizontally. And then we have a 4-inch flap. And then of course the size of the pillow inside can change, but the overlaps don't change in size. So once you have your template like this already, you actually have to measure out your fabric. And we're measuring out exactly the inches we need for the pillow. So since our pillow is 14 inches, it's 17 inches in one side and 36 on the other side. And now we're going to fold over our 1-inch overlaps to make sure that our pillow looks nice. And we do that using sewing pins. And we're going to do that on the other side as well. Needs to be 2 inches in total, but once you, of course, fold it, it's just a 1 inch because you double fold it. And now you just want to stitch that up. Use sewing machine to do that. That's pretty easy and straightforward. Pull out those sewing pins as you do that. And once that's done, we want to start thinking about the other sides of the pillows. Yes, we want to first create our 4-inch, remember the plan, our 4-inch flap. The flap is important so we can cover our pillow. We're going to secure the flap with our sewing pins, just like that. It's very easy. And then we want to fold over the rest of our pillow. And yes, you can see we created a square pillow as our pillow is. And we want to secure at around 1/2 inch with our sewing pins. This is where we're going to stitch. So get out your sewing machine and start with a back stitch just to secure the corners of the pillowcase and make it stronger. And then you just stitch the side up just like that. And once you've done with the edges and corners, you're gonna have one way in where the flap is. And this is the time we want to turn our pillowcase inside out. Yeah, this is where the fun starts. We want to make sure that all the corners are aligned and as flat as possible. And then we want to get our flap inside out, just like the rest of the pillow, yes. And this is the part where we're going to stitch at around 1 inch of the edges. Remember 1.5 inch, we did a 1/2 inch, and now we're doing another 1 inch. This is to secure our pillow and make it strong and nice looking. So we're going to just do that, stitch it up on the sides, and now get it inside out. And here you have your very own pillowcase. Okay, ready and done. We can place the pillow inside and keep it nice and cozy. And you can always just take your pillow out and wash the pillowcase, or even wash the pillow if you need. As you can see, this is a lovely project anyone can make. It's fairly easy, fairly straightforward. It's just a beautiful home decoration. For more crafts like that, please visit craftyhacks.com. Please like this video, like, comment, anything helps. And yeah, just have fun crafting. That's what all these crafts are for. Have a nice day, take care, and bye-bye.